Hello and welcome to Lego to Disney. I'm going to try and help you navigate the numerous options available to you and give you a clear idea on your choices when booking the trip to Disneyland Paris. So some background to the park. It's situated on the outskirts of Paris and there's actually two theme parks here. There's Disneyland Paris, which opened on the 12th of April 1992. And this park is more of the classic idea of a Disney park. Houses the castle, and the rides are more themed around the original Disney movies. The exception is Discoveryland, which has a Buzz Lightyear ride and also a small Star Wars zone. The second park, Walt Disney Studios, opened on the 16th of March 2002, and it's more Pixar and Marvel themed, and it has some of the more extreme rides. So, how many days do you need in the parks? Well, it's a difficult question to answer as the parks do have different opening times throughout the year. For example, during the summer, Disneyland Paris is open from 8:30 in the morning until 11 p.m. On another one of my videos, I have done both parks in one day. It wasn't fun. I had a plan. I waited in every single queue. I didn't really stop for food or enjoy the parades, meet any of the characters, or really just have any sort of a good time at all. And during that time, the park was open till 7 p.m. I've been there for 7 days before, and honestly, it was just a bit too long. I think the perfect timescale is 3 days in the park, if not during a weekend or school holidays, and 4 days if it's a weekend, generally just because weekends and school holidays are busier. So a perfect itinerary: day 1 would be a travel day, day 2, 3, 4 in the park, and then day 5 travel home. And if staying at Disney Hotel, you will have park tickets for day 1 and day 5 as well.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. This is the way.